Ben wants to make a painting that measured 9 by 6 units. Notice it's not recorded in feet, inches, centimeters, millimeters, or even meters. It's just marked in units, which means they haven't really named it. Units is a generic unit of measurement. Okay? So we've got 9 by 6. I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on this side. And then there's 6 units on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we say by 6. This is a unit of measurement, 9 by 6, for a two-dimensional item, like a piece of paper, like a photograph. It doesn't have any space where you could put your hand inside of. I've used an example of a tissue box in class. You could have a tissue box that measures, I don't know, maybe 8 by 4, okay? That's maybe, if you looked at the base of it, how it would look. But then when you stand it upright, you can stick your hand inside the box. That's a three-dimensional item, okay? We're only going 2D. So I'm going to first of all look at what is the area. How much room does this cover? So if I take this and I go all the way from this 6, and I go all the way up to where the 9 counted off, and we'll just take a highlighter and shade that in so we can still see through it. All right. Here's what we wind up with. If this was Ben's painting, this is the area of the wall that would be covered by the painting. If Ben, instead of was painting a picture, if Ben was carpeting his den, he might need this much carpeting to cover the area of the floor. It's a flat surface. It is 2D, 9 by 6. If we count each of these boxes, I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have just one group of 6. I have 9 groups of 6 going up. 9 times 6 is 54. Now, 54 by itself would be incorrect. Units, and we have to also say that they are units squared. Now, how did I know to put the 2? Because the problem asked me to find the area. This is a two-dimensional figure. 6 times 9, 2 dimensions. So we put a square at the end of the answer. Now, what is the perimeter of this figure? Well, perimeter doesn't care what goes on the inside. Ben was all about his green carpeting that covered the entire area. But what if Ben wanted to put a pretty border just around the outside of his rug? Maybe a fringe. You've seen rugs like that before. Or if it's his painting, shoot, he needs a frame for it, right? So he needs to find out how much fringe he needs to go around the outside of his rug, or how much of this funky frame he needs to go around the outside of his painting. Well, we already know Ben has 9 units on this side. So how many do you think he has on this side? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, he has 9 on that side too. He has 6 on this side of the figure, so he must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine that. 6 on that side. To find the perimeter, how long, if this is fringe, how long does it have to be? We go like this. P stands for perimeter, just like A stood for area. P is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, and we just plug in what we know. We have 9 plus 6 plus another 9 plus another 6. I'm going to squeeze that one in there. And I get 2 groups of 9 is 18. 2 groups of 6 is 12. I wind up with 30 units. Do I square it? No. Do I do anything to it? Cube it? No. It's just 30 units. All I had to do was measure how long the fringe needed to be. Now what I did do when I was showing you how to find the area is I didn't plug in our fabulous formula for area. The formula for area, here we had P for perimeter, here's an A for area, is equal to the figure's length times its width. So take what you know. We knew that Ben's painting was 9 units long times 6 units wide. And that's where I came up with my 54 units. Because I'm looking for area, I say squared. Good job.